So now we're getting started, ready to start putting walls up. Just wanted to point out, I have a lot of people say, how come you don't use pressure treated? Just wanted to show that we do always use pressure treated. It doesn't show up sometimes in the video. But right here we're going to put on sill seal. If I can get the camera down here, there we go. It's an exciting day, the first day putting walls up. That's the fun part. And we're ready. Walls are going. We number the walls 1, 1, 1, 2 for wall 1, and so on all the way around. Fourth wall we'll have to build in place because it's going to have a 16-foot wide overhead door. So here we go. Oh, stepped on an anchor bolt. Yes, we're using anchor bolts. So we have the walls up. We're now doing we have a micro lamb beam going over the door opening. It's a 16 feet wide door. So we want to make sure it's strong enough the trusses are going to run front to back. I want to make sure that was good and rugged to deal with the snow load and so on. I wanted to point out the slope here. This has all been new gravel compacted. Well drained all the way around. It will be in front of the driveway as well. 6-inch slab with a thickened perimeter. I get a lot of people asking about, will this crack? Will it hold up? And I was on a job site the other day. I didn't build the garage, but the garage is 46 years old on a slab, and there was not a crack in it. And it was done. The groundwork was done exactly like this. One other thing I wanted to point out about this slab, it's called an Alaskan floating slab. The reason is this is how they do it in Alaska, which gets quite a bit colder than we do.